Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and permissions. Make sure your car advertises wireless CarPlay and your iPhone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. Now enter the vehicle's wireless or Bluetooth pairing mode. This is the trigger the head unit needs. On your iPhone, open Settings General CarPlay or Bluetooth and look for the vehicle name. Once you see it, tap to connect. This initiates the secure handoff that lets CarPlay stream data over Wi-Fi after initial Bluetooth negotiation. Once connected, you'll authorize the link on both the head unit and your iPhone, accept any pairing or CarPlay prompts so the devices exchange credentials. Then make it trusted. On the phone, mark the vehicle as allowed or enable automatic connection so you don't pair every trip. Next, customize. Open iPhone Settings General CarPlay to arrange apps and shortcuts. This optimizes the driving flow and reduces distraction because your most used apps appear where your eyes expect them. You finish by testing core functions. Make a call, play music, and start navigation to confirm data and audio route properly. If something breaks, first reboot your iPhone and the head unit, then remove the vehicle from iPhone Bluetooth and CarPlay lists and repair from scratch. This clears stale profiles. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are not blocked by airplane mode. If issues persist, update the head unit firmware and iOS. These fixes resolve protocol mismatches that prevent wireless CarPlay from completing its secure handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.